well, welcome. What we're going to go through is I'm going to go through how to solve increasing and decreasing intervals on what I have for a temper review test. I'm going to do several tutorials on identifying those and also some additional ones on inverses. So, without further ado, what we're going to do is actually have four a and what we're going to do is figure out where is the function increasing, decreasing, and constant. And we have some various different intervals or different functions. So on this one, I'm going to have x equals 1 over x squared minus 16. Okay. When we have this, we're going to go to our calculator. We're going to take this right here. And I'm going to punch this in here. So we're going to take 1 divided by the quantity x squared, so make sure you put the quantity in there, minus 16. And we're going to graph this. I'm going to go to Zoom 6 so I get this standard graph file. So it's like, and we have this graph right here. Okay. So looking at this graph, you can see that this graph is actually appears to be increasing up to a vertical asymptote. Now, when you look at this equation, you can see that the equation states that x is, or the equation has down here, x squared minus 16. All right. So if I factor that, we have x minus 4 and then x plus 4. Now, with that, that's kind of important to know because when you have x minus 4 and x plus 4, those are locations where the domain doesn't exist, so x cannot equal negative 4 and then positive 4. But then also the location of vertical asymptotes. That's what's happening right here. We have vertical asymptote here at negative 4. We'll move over this a little bit. You can also see that we have another vertical asymptote at 4 itself. Now, traditionally, what we would do is we want to figure out where this increasing, decreasing. So looking at my graph, we can see that the function is increasing. Remember, always read it from left to right, left to right. And this function is increasing from negative infinity to, it appears, negative 4. Now, if you start at the bottom, you can see that it's also, all right, negative 4, it's increasing again. Now, we have a max here. Now, in this problem, this is a bad problem because this max value is very, very small. And just to make it simple, I'm going to say that actually it's going to stop increasing here to go to the vertex point. If you would actually find the max, all right, you go to second calculate, just to kind of show you, I'm going to maximum number 4. We'd actually want to find this maximum. I'm going to go to the left side where I think the max is going to be. It's going to be right there. I'll press enter, and then I'll go to the right side just to kind of show you what's happening here. If it'll allow me to do it. There we go now. And it's slowly but surely. Take more time than I want. Anyone else wants me to do this? All right, hopefully you do this at home with your calculators. Then you press enter again. And what you have is guess, and we're going to find out where this maximum is. And you can see that this is, the x value is a very small number right here. So, well, very small negative number for the x value. So it's just offset slightly to the left of the origin, but just for simplicity's sake, we're just going to say it's going to be at 0 and negative 0.0625. All right, so we're going to say this is going to be at 0. So what's going to happen is we're increasing then, again, another interval where it's increasing, from negative 4, remember this is the interval, we're looking at the x values here, for an interval, x value from negative 4 to whatever the value is right here, but we'll just say for simplicity's sake, say it's equal to 0. All right, now what's happening here? Well, now we see, once we get to the 0 point, we can see that the graph for the values are starting to decrease. So now we're decreasing from 0 up to this other vertical asymptote, which we know is at 4. And then you look at our graph right here, well, our graph is also decreasing from 0 to 4. Sorry, not 4 to infinity, I'm sorry, 4 to infinity, and those are the increasing and decreasing intervals. Okay, so that is how you would find our increasing and decreasing intervals for 4A on our worksheet. I hope that makes sense to you. All right. And when you see this, so it's going to be increasing from negative 4 to negative 4, also from negative 4 to 0 approximately, give or take, and then from 0 to 4, then from 4 to infinity. Okay. I'm going to go through the other two. The other two are going to be piecewise graphs, but I hope this helps you out with starting with this one. And then we'll do some inverses as well. All right, so good luck and God bless in the rest of your problems.